Hi, let me play the guitar while knowing nothing about it. So first of all, let's introduce myself. I am Hazelyn May Cornell, na nag-aaral ng guitar and I haven't attended guitar for a month. And the last time we played was about flying on an airplane. And after 1 month, we went back to guitar with Chanel and we decided to play another song, which is perfect. And that's why I am practicing it right now without any edits, without any cuts. Maybe if cuts pag gusto kong kumain or something, pero nandyan lang yung pagkain ko. And besides the point, magigitara ako kasi gusto kong malaman kung mabilis na ako mag-change or not. Ngayon ulit ako nag-practice. Monday kami and Thursday na ngayon. So, dami kong sinabi, pero I wish you, I found love. Tama ba? One. Okay, so ito muna yung So, apat na G, E minor, C, then D. Pagkatapos nun, apat na ganon. Apat ulit na E minor, C, G, and D. So, wow, tutorial. Wala nga ako alam. Wait. Okay, sorry. 1, 2, 3, go. Rinig niyo yan? Rinig niyo to? Rinig niyo to? Fuck that bitch. I hate that bitch. I hate it so much. What the hell? What the hell? Okay. Gusto niyo makita? Wait lang. Gagawin na. Commercial break. May commercial break. Wala pang Kita niyo to. I like to open it because I like it soggy. And nagda-diet ako, pero nagda-diet, pero alam mo pang ilang ko na to? 17. Ayan ko nung nakasunog. Kaya na. Bagal lang mag-lipat kasi. Sabayan niyo ako na perfect. Half down. Minsan nasusugat ako kasi instead of dito, napupunta siya dito, tapos napapadpad minsan yung, okay, whatever. Who cares about my suffering, right? 1, 2, 3, go. Sintonado or ako lang? Ewan ko. Sintonado lang talaga. Binigyan ko na CPR kasi sintonado siya. Hindi ako yung sintonado, baby. I would never be. Sure. Ako talaga. Abis na. Ang ganda na sana ng tao, no? Sure. Sure. Wala akong alam. Yan na. What the hell? Okay, practice muna. I don't know what the hell I'm doing wrong, but first pa lang, mali na agad. What the hell? 1, 2, 3, go! Hindi naman halatang sintonado. Myself, bro. I hate myself. I'm gonna fucking choke myself, bro. What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? Disease, bro. What the hell? What the hell am I supposed to do in my life when I'm like this? 1, 2, 3, go. peace offering. I'll do it right. 1, 2, 3, go. Hindi na. Marap ka sa akin, be. Hindi sa kanila. Uli. Sorry. Mag-iisang oras ako dito. Wala pa akong nagagawa. Pero okay lang. Sintonado! Gumagano na yun, ah. Ganun ba talaga? 1, 2, 3, go. Fuck, suck my butt. For aesthetics lang talaga to, Lord. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, wait. Ano muna tayo? Basic muna tayo. I need lyrics. Wait. How the hell can I find lyrics when it's low back? That's not good. Fun fact, I like stick O. And I like it more when it's soft, not crunchy. You get what I mean? Like, because it's moist. Ito na. Last food. Busin ko na to? Okay. Ako yung umuwas nito. Walang tumikim. Kita niyo ako. Ako lang talaga. Ito na. Oh, wait. Ito na. Ay, joke lang. Pahingi ako isa. Don't copy me, guys. This is gluttony. I'm not trying for anybody else. You're keeping it for yourself. I look short. Bam? I found love. Ah? What? I found love. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. I found love. For me. Darling, just time. Ah! Sintonado! Wala na galang. Hindi ka naman lobat para. Ay, 1%, sorry. Oh, I fucked up, bro. What the hell? Fix yourself. Paano na ako manghaharanan nito kung ganito? 1, 2, 3. Bro, what the hell? It keeps turning off like a bitch. We'll see, man. Yeah. Found love. Ha! Darling, just darling. Darling. bitch. Fucking get it right, bro. What the hell? What the hell? Found love. Sintonado ka, bro. Hindi na talaga ako may problema. Ikaw na talagang sintonado, ngani. Ito nga. Gagano natin. Straight body. Good posture. It's bleeding again. Okay, who cares? Nobody cares about me. Fucking stop turning off like a bitch you are in disguise. Okay. Hindi ganyan yun. Baka hindi maipit. I can't play guitar if I have this anger, bro. Because I fucking hate you. Aray! Mo, to turn off ka na naman. Lutong. Okay. I found love for me. Darling, just dive right in. Follow my lead. Wait. I found love for me. Darling, just dive right in. Follow my lead. Ito ba talaga? I found love. I'm also good in anything, right, bro? What the hell? I found love. Gusto ko mag-ML. Mag-ML na lang kaya ako. I found love. Fuck. Fuck, shit. Bro, I'm fucked. What the hell? I found love. For me. Darling, just dive right in. Follow my lead. Fuck! Mawawala talents ko. I found love. Kain niya. Gluttony. Remember that. Sintonado! Tama ba to? Feeling ko ito na ikot to. Wala pa naman akong taster nung ba. Fuck. I have to download. I don't have no space. Well, nga muna ako. Sige, bye. Bye. Don't ever talk to me again. I cannot.